Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun.
Hello, I just arrived and need help with my luggage. I am traveling alone today and feel a little tired. This hotel lobby looks beautiful and very warm inside. I would like to check in for my reservation now. Here is my passport. Please take it for registration. I booked a single room for 2 nights only. Is breakfast included in the price of my room? I prefer a quiet room on a higher floor. Can you give me a map of the hotel? Where is the elevator located from this reception area? Thank you. I will take my room key now. My room number seems correct, but I will double-check. The hallway looks long, so I walk carefully forward. I finally found my room and opened the door. The room feels comfortable with warm lights and clean sheets. I need to place my luggage near the small table. I want to rest, but first check the bathroom quickly. The shower looks clean, but water pressure seems very low. I will call reception now to ask for help. Hello, the shower pressure is weak. Can someone check? Thank you. I will wait here for the technician. The technician arrived quickly and fixed the water problem. Now I can relax and take a warm shower. After showering, I want to connect to the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi password is unclear. Can you repeat it? Great! The internet works well for my study plans. I should unpack my clothes and place them neatly inside. The closet is small, but enough for my weekend stay. I feel hungry now and want to find some food. Is the hotel restaurant open for dinner right now? I will take the elevator down to the restaurant. The restaurant looks cozy with soft lights and calm music.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
I would like a simple dinner, maybe soup and bread. The waiter is friendly and brings water very quickly. The soup tastes warm and perfect after a long day. I finish dinner and go back to my room. I want to prepare lessons for my English practice video. My table lamp is too dark. Can you bring another? Thank you. The new lamp helps me work comfortably now. I practice reading simple hotel phrases for my content. After studying, I feel sleepy and prepare for bed. I set my phone alarm for early morning wake-up. The bed feels soft, and I fall asleep quickly. Morning sunlight enters the room, waking me gently today. I need a quick shower before going downstairs for breakfast. The breakfast room smells nice with fresh bread everywhere. I choose eggs, fruit, juice, and one warm croissant. I sit near the window and enjoy the peaceful morning. After breakfast, I want to explore the town center. Can you show me directions to the main city square? Thank you. I will walk there and take some photos. The streets feel friendly, and I enjoy the sunny weather. I buy a small souvenir for my friend back home. I return to the hotel because my feet feel tired. Can I please have to clean towels this afternoon? Thank you. I will rest a little on the bed. Later, I decide to visit the hotel gym downstairs. The gym is small but perfect for a short workout. I drink water and stretch before leaving the gym. I want to relax in my room and watch television. The remote control is not working. Can you replace it? Thank you. Now the television works perfectly for me. Evening arrives, and I want dinner delivered to room. I order pasta and salad from the room service menu. The food arrives quickly, and everything tastes very fresh. After dinner, I pack my suitcase for tomorrow morning. I check my room carefully to avoid forgetting anything. I bring my luggage downstairs to the reception area. I would like to check out of my room. Here is my room key. Thank you for your help. Can you please call a taxi for the airport? Thank you. I enjoyed my stay and felt very comfortable.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.